So everybody, we're back with the diff. What we're doing today is cleaning the diff on the outside, removing the bolts, and getting the oil out from the inside and drain it all out. Picked up some brake cleaner from AutoZone. If you don't know what it looks like, I got a little bit of engine degreaser because it does have a lot of gunk on it. So, but brake cleaner. All right, to drain our fluids. But like I said, these are the bolts. Bolts have to be taken out. Are these? You could either use a 5/8, the metric numbers, or 16. Whatever you use, doesn't matter. Just get it done. But like I said, clean the outside, get the fluids out, clean it real good inside, and we'll probably end up at Penco Autos on today, so we can weld it inside. God willing, it works. If it does, black boy over here, I don't know if y'all can see him, but it was next to get welded. So let's see. Let's get this. Open diff. I gotta stick a piece of metal in there, in here, right? I stick a piece of metal in here, and then I gotta weld all around there, like that 4-point right here. That's how these gears can lock together. So that's next. We're gonna drain it though, but I'll never do that. I really wasn't gonna add this on, but I'm going to because the 325 I have has no muffler. The 328 does have a muffler. So it is kind of uncomfortable. I'll show you now. To take the diff off, as you see, you have to, loosen it up, take off the e-brake, and have it out of gear. I was eligible to take off these 4 bolts, take the e-brake off and get it out of gear, spin your tire, and I'm fine. But with a muffler on, it makes it 100 times harder because I was only allowed to take 1 bolt off. So I'm gonna have to take them off one by one because muffler is in the way. So, because I know a lot of people on YouTube do not say the troubles they go through, so I'm letting you know I'm over here going through it. So now you know. Just finished cutting a piece of metal, laying around that we had for the Juchero roof box that we're making at Penco's. You can see up there. We're ready. So everybody, this is no good. My wife is really not gonna see me anymore. I'm gonna weld it even some more to make sure that mother trucker don't move. We're gonna make sure that when he decides to move, it's gonna bust. I don't know how happy I am. I am so happy to be doing this. A step closer to sliding. For the first time, no label will be sliding. Well, I can't say no label. No label is just anybody. But I, Yeltsin Janeo, will be sliding. No label is just a group of people that don't like to be labeled. Don't like to be called names or anything like that. If you fuck with me, you fuck with me because of who I am, not because of what I was or what I do. It's because you just fuck with me because of the type of person I am. So why label me? If you do, haters are welcome, anybody's welcome. I'm gonna keep doing what I gotta do, and hopefully it doesn't bother anyone, you know. So if this joint break, my welds aren't that good, but I highly doubt that are my welds.
Slim Duggar.